Nuke incoming!
Are you good? All right. All right, me too. Oh, man. Have a good one, man. That's good. Dude, that was so awkward. That was so awkward, dude. That was really bad. Yeah, baby. Which way we going? We going straight? All right. I know, dude. I felt like I lost brain cells talking to him. I know. I was like, what's going on there? All right, so we can make a right here past Cool Cones. All right. Yeah, dude, that was so weird. Yeah, dude, that was so weird. And he comes out and just doesn't say anything. Oh, yeah, I don't know. That was weird. I'm gonna take this corner chill because of that back tire. Oh. Yeah, like surround sound. R6 surround sound. You see that perfectly placed line? We got something to do with the side beams on. Okay, we need to get to large. Oh, okay, so we'll go straight here. Yeah. I caught the light, so are you getting it or you? I'll wait if you don't. No? All right, I'll pull over. This is what's been freaking me out, is that left tire, or that, not the left side of the back tire, sorry. Dude, this road had nobody on it, so I just burned it up. I'll pull over at, I'll pull over somewhere near Large Plain and wait. Yeah, there's nobody out, dude. That's crazy. Beautiful day out. Oh, they're turning. You know, I can actually pull. I can pull. Whoa, that voice grab. I can. I'll pull over at the DMV. Okay. Yeah, dude. There's nobody out, dude. I ripped that little stretch. I could have done it faster. I'm just worried if I got any more oil spurt on the back tire. Yeah. We'll figure it out. I don't think it's gonna be that hard. Dude, there's literally nobody out on the road. That's a surprise. What are these geezers doing? Yeah, everyone's going retard mode. Oh, dude, you're right behind me. We don't even need to. Let's go. All right, so what are we doing? Are we going left here? Or are we going down and then left? All right. Oh. That's whatever. It's beautiful out. Okay. What is this dude doing? I would totally pass him right now, but since we're turning left, I'll refrain. Dude, this Cardo is so nice, man. It's crazy. I can like talk now while riding. What's up? Yeah, dude, it's sick. I don't think we've ever done this before. Like, I mean, we did it through North Park, but not like on an actual adventure. Yeah. Yeah, I can do it. Yeah, you have. Yeah, dude, it's sweet back here. The residentials. Yeah, wait till you see this. You'll know what I'm talking about. This is we're about to go on the road that you can catch air on. Or we are on the road that you can catch air. No, I can. That's in Glenshaw. That road. Oh my! How is my fuel light on? I literally just filled up last time I rode. Oh, watch out with the rabbit. You remember this? You remember this? You're breaking up. Yeah, this is the old fishing spot, one of them. What? Yeah. This is the jump right here. I got a little air. That big thing is the jump if you want to try to hit that. That's the jump. You know where we're at? Hey, Cardo, call Sean. Hey, Cardo, call Sean. Hey, Siri, call Sean. Hello? Hey Siri, hang up and call. This road is crazy. Wow. I would love to hit this road, but I need to pull over. What happened? Oh, yeah. Yeah, I tried calling you back and I think it left a voicemail. All right, here. You know where to go? Answer.
Yeah.
All right. What up? Yeah. Probably hit a dead zone. Dude, that road is so fun. Mini-O. We're going to explore an abandoned spot. Haha! Dude, there's nobody out today. That's it's crazy. Oh, dude, I got some indigestion. Ew. You there? The call hung up again.
Tactical nuke incoming!
So we just got to the adventure spot. Time to do some hiking.
Perfect rock placement. Look at this doorway.
It's so cool. Got a little bike trail.
Oh, they got little
Yeah, I didn't even know this was back here for all these years. Us coming around this area. It's pretty awesome. It's fun finding something new every day. Oh, that just got weird. Break traffic and trail laws. Yeah, there had to be something back here.
Maybe that was the house.
There's couch. That was a sick shot. There's an anteater.
It's so clear.
This is awesome. Unexpected journey. So there's a fork in the road. I'm gonna be thinking left.
Yeah.
Because although I do think that going left usually in any case is wrong, but we're going left. So we actually went left. Over there is the conservative trail. We found this bench. Rip Joe Grom. He looped the Grom and died. Guys, we're the trees have eyes. They started opening fire on us. We're going back. No, there's some fireworks going on. We left the Pontiac and the bike like out and unlocked. We didn't even know we were going on this little adventure, so we are cutting it short and just walking back. Didn't really want to have the phone out too much because I just like getting out and enjoying nature. I think anybody could say that, like, maybe not some, but I don't know. I definitely belong outside. So